Hey guys, congratulations on getting to this point in the course. I saw some amazing work with your design document drafts and I provided feedback for you. I hope it's helpful, but if you have any questions or you want to discuss things a little bit more, let me know. The one thing that I think I commented on in everybody's work is that it's really important to be specific about technical requirements. And I'll tell you, I just had an experience. I taught a course that I did not design. I was not involved in the design of it. It was an Excel course. And what happened was nobody was specific in the design, thinking about the need for all of the students in the class to use PCs. So I ended up having a few students who had Macs. And so the text was not helpful for them and the videos weren't helpful for them. They were having to email me. We were having to figure out some assignment adjustments because of the way that Macs and PCs differ. And all of that could have been avoided if that prerequisite of using a PC would have been identified up front by the course instructional designer and then put into the content, the syllabus, the catalog, all those things. So real life example that just happened to me like 3 weeks ago. That class wrapped up. But really good work overall. I'm very proud of you guys. I can see you've been putting in a lot of thought and effort. And now we're to the fun part, and the really fun part where you get to start kind of building and tinkering and playing. And I encourage you to have fun with it, be bold, try new things. And in this class, you're not going to be penalized for trying something and maybe it doesn't work out, but at least you tried it. And if you can explain why you're doing what you're doing, then you're in good shape. Again, remember this class, you're really just building a piece of the course that you're planning. The idea of this course is to go through that planning process, that design process, so that you understand what's needed for that, and then to follow through the process by building something out. But it's just a small segment because I don't want you guys just drowning in trying to build something. We only have a week for that part. So if you're unsure, if you're doing enough or doing too little, all those things, please let me know. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing your posts again this week.